the penny or the million? Hello, this is One Shot to the Future. Let me give you a choice. Option A, I give you $1 million right now. Option B, I give you a magic penny that doubles in value every day for 30 days. Most people choose the million because they want the result now. But if you chose A, you are a fool. The magic penny, option B, turns into $5.3 million on day 30. This is the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. And this same math applies to your habits. The trap of linear thinking. Why do you quit the gym after 2 weeks? Because you look in the mirror and you look exactly the same. You expect linear growth, like 1 + 1 is equal to 2. You think effort should equal immediate results. But real success is exponential, like 1x, 2x, 4x, 8. The graph stays flat for a long time, and then suddenly shoots up like a hockey stick. Melting the ice cube. Imagine an ice cube sitting in a room at 25 degrees. You heat the room. 26, 27, 28. Nothing happens. The ice is still solid. 29, 30, 31. Still nothing. You feel like wasting your time. But at 32 degrees, suddenly, the ice begins to melt. Did the heat at 31 degrees matter? Yes. It was storing the energy. You are quitting at 31 degrees because you don't see the water yet. That is tragic. You were 1 degree away from the breakthrough. This is called the plateau of latent potential. 1% better every day. If you get 1% better every day for a year, you don't end up 2 times better. Mathematically, you end up 37 times better. 1.01 exponential 365 is 37.78. But if you get 1% worse, you drop to nearly 0.03. Small habits are not small. They are the seeds of an avalanche. Don't underestimate the tiny rep. It is compounding. Push the snowball. It's heavy now, but soon it will be unstoppable. Trust the math, not your eyes. The explosion is coming. In the next video, we will discuss how to manage your time like a billionaire, Pareto principle, 80-20 rule. Thank you. This was One Shot to the Future.